Like and subscribe, The Facts Drone.
10 highest paid WNBA players. Each year, the league attracts some of the top basketball talents worldwide. There are only a handful of female basketball players who earn more than $200,000 per season and have earned the spot as top paid WNBA players. 10. Brionna Jones. Brionna Jones has been the power forward for the Connecticut Sun since 2017. The Suns drafted her as the 8th overall pick in the 2017 WNBA draft. An alumnus of the University of Maryland, Jones' annual salary stands at $208,000 for the 2023 season after signing a one-year deal on February 13, 2023. The pay figure ranks her number 10 among the highest-paid WNBA players. It was a jump from number 52 in the 2022 season with a salary of $120,000. The 27 years old also plays for the USK Prague of the Czech Women's Basketball League. The 2021 WNBA Most Improved Player appeared in 4 WNBA playoffs with the Sun but didn't manage to win any WNBA title. In the 2022 WNBA Finals, they lost to Las Vegas Aces in the finale. 9. Jonquel Jones. In our list, the 9th highest paid WNBA player is Bahamian Bosnian basketball star Jonquel Jones, who currently plays power forward for New York Liberty. Signed on a 2-year contract worth $416,150 with Connecticut Sun, she played only one season, 2021 season, with the team before her trade to New York Liberty. The rest of her contract amount will be paid by Liberty, which earns her a base salary of $211,150 in the 2023 season. She was selected by the Los Angeles Sparks as the 6th overall pick in the 2016 WNBA draft but was traded to the Connecticut Sun before the start of the season. Jones quickly established herself as one of the top players in the WNBA, earning All-Star honors in 2017 and 2019. In addition to her WNBA career, Jones has played professionally overseas in Russia, Turkey, and China. 8. Alyssa Thomas. Along with her WNBA career feats, Alyssa is often in highlights for her relationship. Openly a lesbian, Thomas is currently in a relationship with fellow Connecticut Sun player DeWanna Bonner. The 30-year-old basketball star plays for the WNBA team Connecticut Sun, 2014 now, and Czech women's basketball club USK Prague, 2018 now. In the 2022 WNBA season, she ranked number 11 among the most earning WNBA figure with an annual salary of $206,000. And for the 2023 season, her payroll of $212,000 saw her an entry into the 8th place thanks to the 4-year $836,000 contract that runs through the 2024 season. The 4th overall pick of the Sun in the 2014 WNBA draft is the only WNBA player to get 4 triple-doubles. In Game 4 of the 2022 WNBA Finals against the Aces, she managed her 4th triple-double and also became the first ever to record such a feat in the finals with 16 points, 15 rebounds, and 11 assists. 7. Natasha Howard. Ever since Natasha Howard stepped into the WNBA as the 5th overall pick of the Indiana Fever in the 2014 WNBA draft, she has seen frequent moves with different teams. But those trades won't stop her from earning lucrative contracts, whose credit solely goes to her impressive games. She is the 3-time WNBA champion, 2017, 2018 and 2020. On January 16, 2023, Howard was traded to Dallas Wings from the Liberty as a part of a 3-team trade. And now, the Wings will pay her an annual base salary of $227,900. It is the 7th most earned salary in the 2023 WNBA season. Throughout her career, the 1.88m tall WNBA star has played for Minnesota Lynx, Seattle Storm, and New York Liberty. In the last 2 seasons, 2021 and 2022, with the Liberty, she earned a salary of $215,000 and $221,400, respectively. Some of her other accolades include a 2-time WNBA All-Star, 2019 WNBA Defensive Player of the Year, and 2-time WNBA All-Defensive First Team. 6. Elena Donne. The American-born Delle ties with Skylar Diggins-Smith and DeWanna Bonner for the 4th position in our list of the highest-paid WNBA player. A small forward for Washington Mystics, Donne signed one of the richest contracts in the WNBA on February 11, 2020, which was worth $899,480 for 4 years. It averaged her annual salary of $224,870. In the 2023 season, the 2-times WNBA MVP pockets a salary of $234,350. The 33-year-old was selected by the Chicago Sky as the 2nd overall pick in the 2013 WNBA draft. After playing for 3 seasons with the Sky, they traded her to the Washington Mystics and played on a 3-year $345,000 contract from 2017 to 2020. With the Mystics, she lifted the WNBA Finals trophy in 2019, where she was the scoring leader with 19.5 points per game, with a total of 67 points in 5 games. Donne is the first WNBA player to join the 50, 40, 90 club. 5. Skylar Diggins-Smith. The Phoenix Mercury point guard Skylar Diggins-Smith's salary for the 2023 season is $234,350, which places her among the highest-paid WNBA players in 2023. She ties the 4th rank with DeWanna Bonner of Connecticut Sun and Elena Donne of Washington Mystics. All 3 of them had signed a respective 4-year contract worth $899,000 in February 2020 and are in the final year of their deals. She was selected by the Tulsa Shock as the 3rd overall pick in the 2013 WNBA draft and played for the team for 4 seasons before being traded to the Dallas Wings in 2017. In 2020, she inked a deal with Phoenix Mercury after the Wings traded her to acquire rights for first-round picks in the 2020 and 2021 WNBA draft. The 6-times WNBA All-Star made 4 visits to the WNBA playoffs but failed to get the WNBA Finals title. But she did aid the United States national women's basketball team in winning the gold medal in the 2020 Summer Olympics in Tokyo. 4. DeWanna Bonner. On our list of highest-paid WNBA players, American Macedonian basketball player DeWanna Bonner is in the top 4. With a salary of $234,350 in 2023, she shares the ranking with Donne and Diggins-Smith, as mentioned above. If no contract extensions are offered, DeWanna will become a free agent after the 2023 WNBA season. But her free agency seems less likely as many are eyeing to secure the 2-time NBA champion in their team. An attendant of Auburn University, Bonner is active professionally for more than a decade after being the 5th overall pick of Phoenix Mercury in the 2009 WNBA draft. In the past 3 seasons, from 2020 to 2022, she made a total of $664,000. Throughout her WNBA career of 13 years, DeWanna Bonner appeared in 12 playoffs, missing only in 2013. The 6-times WNBA All-Star also plays for the Turkish basketball team Kukurova Basketball, 2021 now. 3. Jewell Loyd. The Lincolnwood, Illinois-born basketball player Jewell Loyd is chronologically 3rd in our list but has the highest WNBA salary figure shared with the other 2 players, Taurasi and Arike Ogunbowale. On February 1, 2022, Loyd signed a 2-year contract worth $463,000 with Seattle Storm. The 2023 WNBA season is the final year of her aforementioned deal, which will earn her a base salary of $234,936, the most earned in 2023, unless a new deal arrives. In the 2015 WNBA draft, she became the 1st overall pick of the Seattle Storm and is playing for the team ever since. With the Seattle Storm, she won NBA championship twice, in 2018 and 2020. On August 14, 2022, she scored a career-high 38 points in a loss to Las Vegas Aces. Besides WNBA, she is a professional basketball player for Perfumerias Avenida of Spain's Liga Femenina de Baloncesto. 2. Diana Taurasi. Diana Taurasi, who is currently 40, played 18 WNBA seasons with the completion of the 2022 season. Since 2020, she is consecutively the highest-paid WNBA player. Her salary for the 2023 WNBA season is $234,936, which is the same as the other two top contenders, Jewell Loyd and Arike Ogunbowale. Ever since Taurasi became the first overall pick of Phoenix Mercury in the 2004 WNBA draft, she has played entirely with the team. Even more, she won 2 WNBA championships with the team. With the 2-year deal with Phoenix Mercury, she will play yet another year in the 2024 WNBA season. She has 5 Olympic gold medals: 2004 Athens, 2008 Beijing, 2012 London, 2016 Rio de Janeiro, and 2020 Tokyo. Taurasi is among only 11 women to have won Olympic gold medals, an NCAA championship, a FIBA World Cup gold, and a WNBA championship. 1. Arike Ogunbowale. Arike Ogunbowale, who is a point guard for Dallas Wings, shares the rank of highest-paid WNBA players in 2023 with Diana Taurasi and Jewell Loyd. Until the 2022 WNBA season, she was not even in the top 70 in terms of earnings. In 2022, she reportedly earned $72,141. After signing a 3-year extension worth $725,952 with Dallas Wings on February 2, 2022, Arike entered the highest earners club. According to the deal, her base salary in the 2023 WNBA season is $234,936. It will go up to $241,984 in the 2024 season and $249,032 in the 2025 season.
Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe for daily updates.